Alrighty guys, looky. Okay, y'all see this? They just said this came in. Y'all remember the Jeep that I diagnosed had the clanging noise? Here's a little clip right here.
Right here, go ahead. Okay.
Alright, yeah, I was reading the comments. A lot of y'all guessed. That's the only thing you can call it, guys, a guess. Without actually being there, you don't really know what it is. But a lot of y'all assume the transfer case was the problem. The chain in here is slapping, guys. It's loose. So they finally approved it. I guess they had to wait till they get the income tax checks. But at any rate, the part here now, I just need to get the Jeep in here and change out that transfer case. Will it be difficult? I don't know. They come in one, they go in one way and come out the other. We'll see, guys. So I got work to do, man. Y'all stay tuned. Alrighty, guys. I finally got this Jeep in the air. This is the one with the loud. Oh man, this thing is making some extremely loud noise.
Right here, go ahead. Okay.
Alright, y'all hear that? So now I got the daunting task of replacing this chain slap inside of it. I just hope it's not too bad. Of course, this is a transfer case. I'm gonna have front and rear differential. Shaft's gonna have to come out. Oh my goodness, guys, where's my new one? Here's my new one. And guys, it is Mopar, okay? Mopar or no car. None of that Dermot stuff over here. Alright, yes, tiny, alright? Yeah, looks very small. Forget that. How hard will it be to replace? Alright, guys, I got work to do. Wait a minute. Oops. Look at the oops right here, guys. I have to reposition this, guys. This bracket, all this stuff got to come off. JT, you such a ding-dong. Oh, my goodness. This is rubbing on here. So, guys, let me let this down and fix this. I got work to do.
One more. All right, that's good.
Yeah, y'all heard that noise? Well, this is the same Jeep right here, guys. Guess what? He finally got his income tax check back and got money for the parts. So he bought the parts. Now I just got to get it in. In fact, I'm almost done. I got the old one out. Guys, let me go over some tips with y'all real quick when you're fighting with a transfer case, all right? Make sure you come straight outwards first before you start going down. You don't want to tilt and bend this shaft, all right? Another tip, and this is a crucial tip right here. I thought I was going to have to, well, it really would make the job easier to remove this drive shaft, but in fact, I got it off at the differential and everything because you're going to be fighting with this, trying to clear this, so it's best to remove this. Well, if you start turning on these bolts right here and they stop, you stop. Don't keep going. If you break these, man, it could be for a long day. This one's still going. This one stopped, so I stopped. No, I'm not bagging back any farther. If that snaps, oh my goodness, it is hell trying to fix these. I don't want to go through all that. That's just some tips, guys. Hey guys, here we go. Moment of truth. Getting ready to put it in. No big deal, like I say, but gotta fight with this jack. Now I've seen guys just put this on their shoulder and just raise it up on their shoulder and connect it to the transmission. I'm not that bold, guys. I'm gonna, I guess I could. I mean, because remember, I couldn't remove the drive shaft, so I'm gonna be fighting with that a little bit. So I think it's best I stay on this jack. What y'all think, guys? Remember now what I told y'all. If that stop turning, you stop, okay? Don't turn that until it breaks or you're doomed. All right, so let me try to get this freaking thing up here in one piece. All right, y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, I got it in. The hardest ones was torquing down those bolts up top, okay? Once you get those in, you good to go. Now, it's just a matter of torquing these down. Torquing all the rest of the bolts. Alrighty guys, real quick. Ran into a problem. This is the one with the transfer case I'm installing. Y'all see this big old rubber, I guess help balance out the shaft? Well, it bolts right here. It bolts to the new transfer case. Only one problem. There's no threads in the new transfer case. And I didn't think to look at that. You go to the old one, it already have threads, okay? Now, I don't know if those threads was made. Like, I don't know. Some of them don't have that big old balance rubber bushing. I don't know if threads was intended to be on here, but I'm already committed. I can't take this off and take this shaft out. So what I got to do is create some threads. I need a tap set since I don't have one in my possession at the moment. It's at the other shop. I'm using a boat to essentially make threads. Okay, so once I make the threads, I can bolt this to the new transfer case, right? Yeah, that's how they go. Oh my goodness, so I don't know how I'm gonna get that one up there. So y'all stay tuned, man. We're gonna get this done. Guys, update. Got this one done, working on this. Guys, thank goodness this is soft aluminum. Oh my goodness, well, this would be a really pain. Let's get it. Alrighty guys, I'm on a test drive in this Grand Cherokee with the transfer case, guys. Yes, I got it in. Couple of rev ups, no more noise. So you guys that guesstimated that the problem was in the transfer case chain, likely right, guys. Okay, when you rev up a car, you put an extremely amount of load on it. Okay, so those two axle shaft that's coming out of that transfer case, you know, if you got a transfer case, you obviously four-wheel drive, right? Yeah, that torque is actually making a chain come apart or slap. Now, depending on if they want this thing back for warranty or not, guys, I am going to tear that transfer case apart. We're going to take a look at that freaking chain. All right, we're going to take a look at it and see what exactly happened. Y'all know suspense be killing some of you guys, and it be killing me as well. So we're going to find back. Well, I'm back, guys. I'm done with this vehicle. I appreciate you guys tagging along this journey. And that's all I have, man. Y'all stay tuned for the next short. Let me show y'all something on this BMW right here. All right, check it out. So y'all see this, right? This is BMW, my buddies. He's doing a timing chain setup. Okay, but look, this is what I want to talk about. PCM, guys, engine control module, ECU, whatever y'all want to call it. This is the main brain for the car. And look where it's mounted at. On top of the intake manifold. So everybody out there that's always dogging out Chrysler for their choices of hiding things, you know, battery under the seat, PCM under the tire wear, this is the most craziest spot, in my opinion, to put a control module, guys. We talking right here on the top of the engine. Moisture, water, condensation, some of everything can enter into this and destroy it. Now, I don't know the failure rate of these, so I can't really criticize it that much, although I want to. I just don't have the facts. We don't see these that often, all right? This is my buddy's car, but anyway, I just wanted to point that out. The ECU is on top of the intake manifold. Look at this. This is great. Oh my goodness.